Hello everyone, today's discussion is about consonant analysis project. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Ramadania from class RB with MPM 114. Explanation number 1. P, B, P, B. Initial position, vowel, 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 vowel. Final position, cup, 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 cup. There is a difference between P and B. P is a plosive bilabial voiceless and B is a plosive bilabial voice. P and B are sound from both upper and lower lips. And if you say P, there is no vibrate when you produce the sound. But when you produce B, there is a vibration. This contrast changes meaning completely different. Pole means besi penyangga, whether bowl means batang kayu. Cup means cangkir, whether cup means anak rubah. Explanation number 2. Of, feel, 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 feel. Serve, 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 serve. Of, are sound formed with the upper teeth and lower lips. F is a fricative labiodental voiceless and F is a fricative labiodental voice. This sound passes through small opening on the mouth like a hissing sound and the airstream not completely blocked. This contrast change meaning completely. Feel, merasakan sesuatu, whether feel, daging sapi muda. Serve, buruh tani, whether serve, melayani. Explanation number 3. Se, z, se, z. Su, zu, su, zu. His, 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 his. Se and z form when the tip of tongue touch or almost touch the alveolar ridge. S is a fricative alveolar voiceless. Z is a fricative alveolar voice. Both consonant is a fricative alveolar, meaning the airstream is a compressed and pass through a small opening in the mouth. This contrast change meaning completely. Su, tindakan hukum, whether zoo, kebun binatang. His, mendesis, whether his, dia laki-laki. Explanation number 4. Ch, j, ch, j. Chin, jin, chin, jin. Budge, 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 budge. T and j sounds are produced by placing the tongue blades close to the hard palate behind the alveolar ridge. Ch is a affricate palato-alveolar voiceless and j is a affricate palato-alveolar voice. This contrast change meaning completely. Chin, dagu, whether gin, minuman dengan sari buah. Batch, kelompok, whether batch, lencana. Explanation number 5. Ke, ge, ke, ge. Cold, gold, cold, gold. Cluck, gluck, cluck, gluck. Ke and ge sound are made by raising the back of the tongue toward the soft palate, called velum, held tightly enough to block the passage of air. Ke is a plosive velar voiceless and ge is a plosive velar voice. This contrast change meaning completely. Cold, dingin, whether gold, emas. Cluck, suara ayam berkokok, whether cluck, menelan atau meneguk. Explanation number 6. The. Tie, 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 tie. Read, 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 read. The. This sound is produced like a hissing sound and formed with the tongue tip behind the upper front teeth. The is a fricative dental voiceless and the fricative dental voice. This contrast change meaning completely. Tie, paha, whether tie, engkau. Read, lingkaran, whether read, menyelubungi. Explanation number 7. The. Dear, 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 dear. Both. The versus the form when the tip of the tongue touch or almost touch alveolar ridge. The is a plosive alveolar voiceless and the is a plosive alveolar voice. This contrast change meaning completely. Dear, merobek, whether dear, terhormat atau sayang. Boat, perahu, whether boat, ramalan. Explanation number 8. J. Ship, vision. Race, garage. Sh and J sound is produced by placing the tongue blade close to the hard palate behind alveolar ridge. Sh is a fricative palato-alveolar voiceless and J is a fricative alveolar voice. This contrast change meaning completely. Ship, kapal, whether vision, pandangan. Race, ruam, whether garage, garasi. Explanation number 9. R. Load, road. Pull, pour. L versus R. L is a lateral alveolar voice, so L are sound where the air is escaped around the side of the tongue. Meanwhile, R is a approximant alveolar voice, so R sound where the tongue approach the roof of the mouth. Next is minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonant in the initial and final position in English. Tongue twister number 1. A good cook could cook as much cookie as a good cook who could cook cookies. Phoneme ke, cook, could. Voicing, voiceless. Place, velar. Manner, plosive. Phoneme g, example word good. Voicing, voiced. Place, velar. And manner, plosive. Ke is a voiceless velar plosive and G is a voiced velar plosive. Both sounds are made by raising the back of the tongue toward the soft palate. This contrast change meaning completely. Ke, cook, means masak, and could, dapat, whether G, good, means baik. Tongue twister number 2. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Phoneme ch, charming. Voicing, voiceless. Place, palato-alveolar. Manner, affricate. Phoneme p, jump. Voicing, voiceless. Place, bilabial. Manner, plosive. Ch is a voiceless palato-alveolar affricate and P is a voiceless bilabial plosive. This contrast change meaning completely. C, charming, menawan. Whether, P, jump, lompat. Tongue twister number 3. Silly zebra share shoes and sang soft songs. Poem is example verb silly, sangs, voicing voiceless, place alveolar, and manner fricative. Poem T, example verb soft, voicing voiceless, place alveolar, manner plosive. Is a voiceless alveolar fricative and T is a voiceless alveolar plosive. This contrast change meaning completely. Silly, bodoh, and sang, menyanyi, whether T, soft, lembut. Reflection question. Which minimal pair and tongue twister did you find most difficult to pronounce and why? The answer is the most difficult to pronounce from the minimal pair is a T versus D. And from the tongue twister is a silly zebra share shoes and sang soft songs. Because many words in tongue twister are very similar and mainly use the letter S. Additionally, because I occasionally forget how to pronounce the phoneme, I have a tendency to mispronounce minimal pairs. Number 2. How did recording your pronunciation help you become more aware of your speech sounds? Answer is because I certainly make a lot of mistakes in pronunciation when I record. To try to minimize my mistake, I open an online dictionary and listen to the correct pronunciation of the word, which helped me identify the point of my mistake. Question number 3. What new insight did you gain about English consonant contrast through this project? The answer is through this project. Well, while I work on this project, I realized that a word might have a different meaning if the same consonant are used. Question number 4. Did you notice any influence from your first language, L1, in pronunciating the minimal pair? Give example. The answer is yes. I find it's really challenging to pronounce B in the final position, such as cup. When I do, it sounds confusing and more like cup. Question number 5. How can you apply what you learned from this project to improve your overall English speaking skill? The answer is through this project, I am able to better understand how English words are spoken and become more accurate in my voicing. I think that's for today's discussion. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.